Come test drive this 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. It features a continuously variable transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 13 speakers, ensuring optimum sound no matter where you're seated. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.